bumibili ng mga ghost receipts. Taxes are the lifeblood of the government. Sa atin, sa mga taxpayers, sa mga mamamayan, but we only see when we pay taxes, ito yung nawawalan tayo ng kita, nawawalan tayo ng pera kasi binabayad natin and wala naman direct benefit to us. Nakasalalay sa pagbayad natin ng buwis ang ikauunlad ng bayan natin.
This fight against tax fraud. Ghost receipts, these deceptive documents used to illegally reduce taxable income, have long undermined our revenue system. This sinister practice has cost the government billions of pesos in lost tax collection, and we have largely been unable to detect and combat it until now. These receipts, though validly registered, mask fake transactions and enables unscrupulous businessmen to evade their rightful tax obligations. And in our quest for a more systematic approach to detect such fraud, we turn to mathematics and data analytics. I am proud to announce our groundbreaking partnership with Ateneo de Manila University's Math Department and their graduating master's degree students dedicated 4 months with us to develop sophisticated algorithms that empower the Bureau of Internal Revenue to identify ghost receipts with remarkable accuracy. Though through techniques like network analysis and Benford's laws, these young minds have provided us with powerful tools to combat fraudulent activities. This collaboration not only enhances our capabilities but also exemplifies the innovative spirit of our nation.